Hello everyone, is an app not downloading from the Play Store on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. A weak connection can stop the app download. Step 2. Check phone storage. Go to Settings, Storage, and make sure you have enough free space for the app. Step 3. Restart your phone. Restart your phone, then open the Play Store and try downloading the app. Step 4. Clear Play Store cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Step 5. Check date and time. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time, and turn on Set Time automatically. Step 6. Update Play Store. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture. Go to Settings, About, and check for Play Store updates. Final tip. If the app still does not download, check if the app is available for your Android phone, and that's it. These steps should help fix app not downloading from the Play Store on Android. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.